Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone and app so translation works instantly. First, install or open Google Lens and grant camera permissions. This lets Lens access live text. Then, choose camera mode and point at the text. Keep the lens 20 to 50 centimeters away for clarity. Once done, tap the translate option at the bottom so Lens knows you want a translation. Make sure lighting is even and avoid glare, because readable input produces accurate translations. Now focus on capturing and refining the translation. If Auto-Detect chooses the wrong language, change the source and target languages so results match your needs. Next, decide between Live Translate for an immediate overlay on-screen or tap capture to run OCR and inspect text more carefully. Once captured, crop tightly around the relevant words and highlight phrases you need. This removes extra characters and boosts accuracy. Finally, review the translated text for context and tap Play to hear pronunciation. Finish by exporting and validating the translation so you can use it immediately. You can copy, share, or save the translated text and use Listen to hear pronunciation for speaking practice. If the output seems off, rescan with improved lighting or hold closer for higher resolution capture. That often fixes OCR errors. If Lens freezes or won't translate, restart the app and check camera permissions or clear the app cache. This resolves most software glitches and gets you back to translating fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.